Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply the same duration to all of your photos on CapCut PC. So you do have to do this before you add in the pictures. Go to menu and go to settings. Then you are going to go to edit, and here's where you can adjust the image duration. For instance, you want all of your photos to be 0.5 seconds. You can also select like the frame unit for this, but I'm just going to select 0.5 seconds. Then you're going to press save, and if you like put in like a lot of like pictures at once, they're they're all going to be like 0.5 seconds like this, according to like how many seconds you like selected the image duration just now. But yeah, that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!